sa ating channel mga mas at mga madam. So ngayon guys, try naman po natin itong MC Raptors, no? Napakaangas nito guys. At kung mapansin nyo guys, is unlimited na po ang kanyang VC, no? Napakaangas nito guys. So umpisa na natin guys, MC Raptors naman po tayo. Dito tayo. Tapos click natin yan, advance. Yan na po guys, no? So dito tayo sa may Toronto Raptors versus Orlando Magic. Let's go! Yan, Orlando Magic versus Toronto. Uy, huwag ka dyan. Nice one. Saan? Pasa mo sa akin. Ito lang ako.
Kevin, I was able to speak with Scott Skiles for just a moment.
Ito, nice. Nice one.
How about that?
Kita niyo ba yung guys?
He doesn't care how much height he
Kita niyo